complex number system, section B. Complex number, Chinese folk song. And you see that we have a form of a complex number. Let's see. Let A and B be the real number, so there's two real numbers. And I square equals to -1. Then Z, okay, this one Z. Most probably we use Z to express a complex number. Z equals to A plus BI is called a complex number. And this one we said it is the standard form. A plus BI. Okay. A is called the real part. 實數部分 real part. And B is the imaginary part. 虛數部分. Okay. So you see that here is some examples. For example, 2 plus 3i. So 2 is the real part. Okay, 2 is the real part. And 3 here, or we say that plus 3 here is the imaginary part. Okay? So let's see. -3 plus 4i, so real part is -3 and real part is 4. How about the third one? 5 minus I. 5 is the real part. And -1 is the imaginary part. -1. Okay? How about this one? Remember, you need to rewrite it as a real plus the imaginary. So -7 plus 6i. You can see it correctly and clearly. Okay? So that means real part is -7. Right. And the imaginary part is 6. Okay. Next. This one is a little bit complicated. And remember, fraction can break it as 2 parts. That means 5/4 minus 2/4i. And this one you can write as 5/4 minus 1/2i. So that's why this one is the real part. Right? And the imaginary part is -1. Okay? Next. 6i. That means what? That means 0 minus 6i. That's why purely part is 0. I mean real part is 0. So -6 is the imaginary part. And the last one, you see it's a real number, right? So this one, you can say that is 7 plus 0i. Okay? So 7 is the real part. Okay? And the imaginary part, 0. And we say that this one actually is the real number, not imaginary number. Okay? Well, one more word, purely real. In the same time, here is purely imaginary. Okay? So, hope you understand these two different kinds of words, okay? So purely imaginary number, remember this one. Also is a complex number. Okay? Real number, we also can say it as a kind of complex number. Okay? That means this one, or say that complex number, this field is larger. This one is a complex number. And real number inside the complex number. Okay? So hope you understand how to distinguish about the real part and the imaginary part of a complex number. Remember, separate as a real part and imaginary part to read two parts correctly. Okay?